Hello, guys. This is from Mrs. Abbie. This is the continuation of my houseplant tour after being away from home for almost 5 days. I already shared how my plants in the living room are doing. Now I will share how my indoor plants are doing in my master bedroom. If you want to watch the living room tour, I will leave a link to that video in the description. But for now, let me pan around the room so you can see where the plants are located. Then I will come back after I pan around and I will identify each plant as I take a look at each one and as I inspect them. Again, I have not looked at any of the plants in this room before I videotape this. One thing I would love for you all to notice as the camera pan the master bedroom is the window. That window is an east-facing window, and it gets a good amount of sunlight. And I love that. And the plants love that too. Now for the inspection. Now take a look at my 3 golden pothos that's sitting on this dresser. They all seem to be doing well, but I notice that they are experiencing a little dehydration. So they need some water because the leaves on 2 of the smaller pothos plants are showing signs that they are dehydrated and they look like they are a little wilt, but nothing a little water can't fix, so no worries there. The small peace lily is doing well. It is a new propagation. This beautiful golden pothos is doing very well. It looks amazing. It is also a propagation. Here's another propagated golden pothos. It is doing well also. I love it when I make more plants from propagations. The propagated plants in this room, as I said earlier, they love this room. Now let's take a look and inspect these 2 beautiful peace lilies. One sitting on the stand and one sitting below the stand. They are doing well, but they seems to be experiencing a little droopiness. They need some water and they will be up and shining bright in no time. Again, this room gets a good amount of sunlight and it dries out the plants in this room very fast. So they need watering more frequently than the plants that are in the other areas of my home. And as soon as I water them, they're going to be fine. They'll be up and standing tall. Now on to inspect this large peace lily. Look at my big baby. Guys, he is so thirsty. He wants some water. He is drooping. I'm so glad I made it back home before he started to droop too much. The leaves and the blooms are drooping. But all is good with them. Once I give big man some water and let him soak up a large amount of water, his leaves and the blooms will be standing tall within the hour. I promise you. The two plants that's sitting on the opposite sides of the large peace lily are called Christmas cactus. They seem to be doing well too, but of course they need to be watered too since they are in this room. So I have to give them some water also. Almost every plant in this room is dehydrated, and I have to stop filming now, guys, and give them some water. Guys, I went on and gave water to all the plants in this room, and guys, after about an hour, they are all back up and standing tall. They are all very happy now, and I'm happy too. I'm sorry I didn't film watering them and how they are looking now, but just know all is well with all of my plant babies. Okay guys, I have some more rooms that's full of house plants. I have to go in each room and inspect my plant babies before it's time for me to retire to bed. And I'm going to try to film each inspection. And if you all want me to, only if you all want me to, I will upload a video showing you all the other plants. If you want me to show each plant being inspected, I'm talking about the other rooms I haven't shown you guys. And that's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and my office, and they're all full of houseplants. If you want me to film those inspections of those houseplants, let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to, I will go ahead and try to edit those videos if I get some good shots of them, and I will upload them. I don't know how long it's going to take me to upload them and to edit them, but I will be bringing those to you guys sometimes in the future, hopefully within the next week or so. It takes me a long time sometimes to edit them because you all know that I do run indoor plant businesses, and quite often I'm busy. But let me know in the comment section if you want me to upload those videos showing you guys how I inspect each one of my house plants, or showing you guys how they are doing. Okay guys, that's it. Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See y'all in the next video. Bye.